Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Fine Ventures headed to Kiserian Isinya Road for the installation of 3D signage, and we're going to check the process that is involved in 3D signage. So we leave our workshop. Here we have arrived at the site, and we are basically offloading the letters. And we have relayed the stencil. Now we want to confirm if we carried all the letters. There we go, clean and go couch. All the letters are on site. Get point of power, check if it's available, look at the artwork. There we go, power is set to go. Alignment of the stencil at this point. Have to align the stencil to make sure the letters are okay. Take some measurements here and there. Start fabrication of the stencil metallic frame. Our painter preparing to do the paint on the frame. Fabrication ongoing at this level. Confirming the diagonals for the frame, they are perfect. Remove the stencil, the frame, set it on the stencil to ensure that it goes in line. The stencil metallic frame is ready. Now it's paint work, painting the frame so that it doesn't rust. Frame is ready, already set on the stencil. Now you're doing the backings for the letters. We place them on the frame like that. Fasten them using screws on the frame. The backings are ready. Now the next step is to do wiring on the back end of the frame. Wiring process ongoing, ensuring all the positives and negatives are on one line. We fasten the wires. Testing if all the lights are lighted. They are ready. Now we do the covering with the 3D letters. We fasten them using screws on the lower end on the backings. We remove the protective cover on the acrylic. Preparing to install the sign. Team discussing on the best way to install the sign on the face. We have agreed on the way to install the sign. There we go. The sign is being taken on the upper side of the site. Carry it up. Preparation on how to fasten it on the existing wall face. Alignment to ensure the sign is straight. Sign is perfect. Fastening it. sign is properly fastened at this level. And there we go, boom, the sign is well installed. Clean and go car wash, now very much visible. There we leave on site. Thank you.